Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall achieve this meatballs spaghetti recipe? I added my minced meat, breadcrumbs, oregano, salt, sage, rosemary, powdered onion, garlic, curry, turmeric, pepper, and seasoning. I'll mix and make sure all the ingredients are well mixed. So now I'm going to roll them out just as you are seeing me do. For those of you always returning to watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, comment on my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification, and be a member of the family so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. I'm done molding. I will add it to my oil and I will allow it to get brown. So here it is, it's brown. I'll just take them out of the oil. Now I'll add my diced onion. I'll stir and allow it to steam for 1 second. I added salt. I gave it a good stir. I added in my tomato puree. I stir and allow it to cook on a low for 10 minutes. So here is it. After 10 minutes, I stirred together. I tasted for salt. It needed salt, so I just sprinkled salt and I added the already fried meatballs inside the sauce. I gave it a good stir and I'll cover and allow it to simmer on a low heat for 5 minutes. So here is it, ready. I'll set aside. So now I'll prepare my spaghetti. I added salt, water, and according to the instruction, this spaghetti will cook for 3 minutes. So I'll cook it for 2 minutes and I will remove it from the gas cooker. So here is it. I'm just trying to separate it from each other. I'll remove it and add them to my sauce. So once I'm done with the adding of the spag, I'll just give it a good mix. So once it is properly mixed, it is ready to be enjoyed. I garnish it with my spinach. Enjoy.